Good morning. Welcome to Hotel Felicity. How may I assist you today?
I would like to make a reservation, please, for deluxe room.
For the last room. May I know what date would you like to go?
May 5 to 8.
May 5. Let me check our room availability for you, ma'am. So we have a room available for that, ma'am. May 5 and May 8. The deluxe room. How many person would you like to?
2 person only.
2 person. 9. And may I know your name, ma'am?
Shilamy Baskin.
Bascon. Shala. Okay. May I know your home address?
Cebu City.
Cebu City. And your contact number, ma'am?
0967 374
0967
7520.
7520. Do you have a company, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. May I know your contact person, ma'am? So your total bill, ma'am, is 5,000. And how would you like to settle your payment, ma'am?
I'd like to pay credit card.
Credit card.
Dapat naman ay implemented business. Pangkatas how many years siya entrepreneurship sa pa naman daw. Taga-DPI ba nga
Okay, ma'am. May I borrow your credit card? Thank you, ma'am.
Ako itong ginagawa. Ako na si Berta. Ako na. Ako itong gichatan si Jumi mo ko niyo yun. Si Jumi nga ka lang. Minsan ito nag-assist na mo kay BSN. Kasi diba? Ito itong interview. Barili. Ito itong interview ba? Wala pa. Ito doon siya. Wala. Kinakalimutan itong bay kaka ako. Kung ito siya kay Enrep dito siya. Yan nag-put up ito siya nag-business siya. Hindi ko nga. Nagsakay niya. Nagsakay mag-addition na naman. Mga siguro siya nag-orient ka o siya buhaton.
For your total bill, ma'am, is 15,000 because you booked for 3 nights.
Sige.
Will you please sign this?
Pangita na sa square foot. Pangita na wala alam.
Thank you, ma'am. So here's your credit card. So your reservation is confirmed, ma'am. So if you need anything during your stay, feel free to ask the front desk. Thank you.
Kaya maglagot ko ang recommended from anyone.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You have another receipt.
Kaya pinag-recommended for the highest HRA ko, laba. Gara, so maayo. Sila siya na parang naman. Magpinakawanan, nalagyan na ng best friend dyan. Bago ko nung ka-special, nandito na superiority complex. Ano ba? Hindi kami ang bakit namin pinutan. Sige, mga tao dito.
Thank you, ma'am. Seriously.
Pag-release ang kaso, mga bago.